She is the first child and elder daughter of Prince Fumihito and Princess Kiko, and a member of Japanese imperial family. She is the niece of Emperor Naruhito. Her family. Her sister, Prince Keiko. Her sister born on 29 December 1994. Her father, Fumihito. Her father, Crown Prince of Japan. Her mother, Kiko. Her mother born on 11 September 1966. Her uncle Naruhito. Naruhito is the current Emperor of Japan. Empress Masako. Masako is the Empress of the Japan and the consort of the Emperor Naruhito. Sister. Sister Eiko. Akihito. Akihito is the member of the Imperial House of Japan who resigned as the 125th Emperor of Japan. Her fiancé. Japan's Princess Mako will marry her former classmate, a commoner. Her dating history. Her family. He has an estimated net worth of $5 million. She was born on 23rd October 1991. She was born in Imperial Household Agency Hospital in Tokyo, Imperial Palace. She has a younger sister, Princess Keiko, and a younger brother, Prince Hisehito. She was educated at the Gekusuin School in the primary, girls' junior, and senior high school years. She studied English at the University College, Dublin, in August 2010. She had an informal talk with the President of Ireland, Mary McAleese, and she visited Northern Ireland. She graduated from the International Christian University in Mitaka, Tokyo on 26 March 2014 with a bachelor degree in Arts and Cultural Heritage. She obtained Japanese international certification in the curation as well as driver's license while she was an undergraduate student. On 2014, she left for the UK where she studied at the University of Leicester for a year, receiving a MA degree in Art, Museum and Gallery Studies on 21st Jan 2016. She also studied arts history at the University of Edinburgh for 9 months from September 2012 to May 2013. She is known as Her Imperial Highness Princess Mako. In May 2017, it was announced that Princess was expected to marry Kei Kumuro, graduate of International Christian University. She worked as a volunteer in the affected area of 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami without revealing her identity. She is able to communicate using Japanese Sign Language and is interested in the deaf community like her mother, Princess Akishino. She became the project researcher of the University of Tokyo's museum on 1st April 2016.